In this video I'm going to show you guys how to see posts you've liked on Instagram. This should work on both iOS and Android, so if you want to see the posts you've liked, then make sure to watch the video till the end and you should be able to do that. Let's get started. First of all, open your Instagram, click on the bottom right corner on your account, then click on the top right corner, those three stripes, and go to settings, click on account right here. And there is a lot of options right here, but just click on the post you've liked. And as you can see, all the posts you've ever liked are right here. You can watch them like this as well. So yeah, that's basically it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'd appreciate that. Bye. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing so I can grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I'd appreciate it.